Eliott, the only state that's had any deadly coronavirus cases so far is Washington State. 9 people there have died. With dozens of cases of coronavirus, Washington State remains the epicenter of the nation's outbreak. Most of the deaths have been at this nursing home outside Seattle. Relatives are concerned many more are infected but have not been tested.
I just feel they're covering it up at this point. I just feel there's something going on that they don't want to admit.
Washington Senator Patty Murray grilled health officials about the delays in testing.
I have people in my state who may have been exposed. They cannot get answers about where to go.
The head of the FDA says a private company is close to shipping out thousands of kits to labs across the country for states to conduct more testing.
2,500 test kits by the end of the week. That should give us the capacity in the hands of laboratories, once they validate, to perform up to 1 million tests.
President Trump says the administration has met with officials from 30 states to help contain the virus and that he's pushing the nation's biggest drug makers for a vaccine.
A lot of good things are happening, and they're happening very fast. I said, do me a favor, speed it up, and they will.
The president paid a visit to the vaccine lab at the National Institutes of Health. Director Anthony Fauci says researchers are working full speed, but that a vaccine is up to 1.5 years away.
We emphasize to the president that since we'll be giving the vaccine to normal, healthy people, that safety is very important, and you really need to know that it actually works.
The World Health Organization is asking people to stop hoarding masks, which are needed by healthcare workers. Well, the coronavirus-fueled whiplash on the financial markets continued today. There was another steep sell-off despite an interest rate cut from the Fed. The Dow lost nearly 3% of its value just one day after posting what was its biggest single-day point gain. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 also deep in negative territory. And CBS 4 News, CBSMiami.com, and all of our social media platforms have continuing coverage on the virus outbreak in Florida and around the world.